Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we are going to see how we can easily peel garlic skin and also store them in fridge for quick use. Here I have some garlic and also some water. Firstly, I will separate the cloves and will soak it in water. I will keep it like this for about 5 to 6 hours. Its skin will become very soft as it will absorb all the water and it becomes very easy to peel its skin. You just need to use a knife to remove that upper portion of the garlic clove and then its skin will come out very easily. If you find it inconvenient to peel garlic skin every single time before cooking, then you can follow this step. I usually peel skin of some garlic during the weekend and I can easily use them for the entire week. And here is our garlic all ready to be used. I have rinsed this once with clean water. Here I have my chutney jar and we need to make a paste of this garlic. As we are going to store it for a few days, I am not going to add any water. You can either coarsely ground the garlic or make a fine paste of it depending on your usage. Now I am taking a container like this and will be adding portions of garlic like this. And we need to freeze this. Once frozen, you can take the required quantity of garlic every time you decide to cook something. This is a day later while I decided to cook paneer with chana dal and I used frozen garlic paste. It's a very convenient way of storing garlic and you can easily use them. So that's all for today's video. I hope you liked this video. If you did, do make sure to like this video, leave a comment and subscribe to the channel. Until we meet next time, stay healthy and happy. Bye-bye.